Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. I have a good news update on the Thrunite T1 and Thrunite TC20. I've reviewed both of these lights previously. Alright, these are discounted 35% all this month. So up until May 31st, 35% off on the Thrunite website. I will include a link to the Thrunite website as well as the discount code. Now the TC20, it's a very bright light, right? 3,800 lumens maximum. It runs on a 26650, right? So 35% off, right? The normal price on this is about $90, right? So with a discount, it's going to be around $60. So that is quite a bargain. This is a very compact light for its category. I reviewed this 2 years ago, so it's been out for a while, so I think they might just be liquidating this. So just take advantage, because when they're gone, and 35% off is a significant savings. Alright, at this time I'm going to roll in some footage from the review. This light at Frog Creek and at the field, right, and this was taken way back when I reviewed this when there was still snow on the ground. Alright, so let's just check out a few clips to review the performance of this TC20. Alright YouTube, standing up on the banks overlooking Frog Creek, lighting up the whole scene. The woods, the treetops, the UFOs, no just kidding. The Bigfoots, did you see them? Oh, you just missed them. Frog Creek is flowing strongly because of all the melting snow. But yeah, this does a really good job of lighting things up. Okay, we are at the sports field with this Thrunite. Can you see the goal? Let me zoom in. And there you go, it does hit the goal. So as you saw there, it does reach the goal. Even with some haze in the air, you can clearly see that soccer goal. It'll cross the whole field. Alright, so that was the TC20 back in the day, and I still have it, and mine still works fine. Alright, so take advantage of that 35% off. What about the T1? Now this Thrunite T1 is a pretty awesome little light too. 1500 lumens is the maximum. It's a very compact light. It's got variable brightness. Now this is a new color. Right, it's a dark tan. That's the turbo mode. So I've done a full review of the T1, but I haven't reviewed this one because this is the new color. So let's go out and have a little fun just on the testing board, and I'll show you or review what this thing can do. Okay, we're out here with the T1. Check out the lit side switch. Nice. Let me show you the variable brightness. And it will blink when it gets to the low and the high. Right, that's as low as it goes. Let's increase. Alright, let's go turbo again. Wow. Yeah, super bright. So this T1 works just as well as the first T1 that I reviewed, the different color. It's just such a handy little light because it's just so compact, but it can give you a burst of brightness if you need it. And we are back. I hope you enjoyed that. So yeah, the T1 works great. It's got the variable brightness. All right, it's got a double tap for turbo mode, 1500 max lumens, very compact, USB rechargeable, and now it comes in a cool new color. So the normal price of that T1 is around $45. So with the 35% discount, it should be now around $30. So that's actually a great deal for a quality little pocket rocket like that. So yeah, take advantage. And of course, if you want to see that T1 doing more stuff, just check out my previous review. We went to Frog Creek. It was great. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it saved you some money, going to give you some quality gear. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.